Good day friends. In this video, we're going to see about how to fill the blanks in this particular Excel file. Say for example, I have class section name and fees amount. So these two columns have already been filled in, but you can see all these gaps are here. So I want to copy these things and then paste it here. So similarly, I have to do the rest of the file. So what is the easy way in order to do this? That is what we're going to see in today's video. So first what you can do, you simply select the range in which you want to fill the cells. Press F5 in your keyboard or you can press a Ctrl G. Go to, click on specials, click blanks and press OK. So all the blank cells have been chosen now. So what you can do, you can put equal to, refer the up arrow. Just press your up arrow in your keyboard and press Ctrl Enter. So don't do normal enter, press Ctrl Enter. Now all the blanks have been filled in, friends. I hope you will be enjoying this video. So thank you so much and we will meet you in the next video.